China cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
Yo.
You want me to set up that sun thing so that...
No, I'm fine. I'm flying to the side of it. And then I do a lot of stuff over on this side too.
Yeah.
To stay away from it. But
I just know looking that way, you're looking directly.
no, I look to the side of it, so I'm good. I can't move it, so I've got to fly around it, right?
Yeah. I mean, if I put the sun thing up, you can
No,
stand over there and kind of block
it gets in my way. I'd prefer not to. I'll just do most of my stuff over here. Then the sun's at my back.
Yeah. It's doable. You got sunglasses on though.
Yeah, no, they're pretty dark, so. It's all good. Just got to adapt.
Shit, that's fast.
This thing's fun, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so let me do my favorite thing.
Gear down.
Done so many touch and goes with this plane till I've worn out the tires. No tread left. I don't know of many EDFs where people actually do touch and goes.
Yeah.
This is one of the few.
In this wind right now, when I used to fly a lot of 70mm, the only time I would have damages, I mean, literally, was when I landed and I went to turn around, and the wind would catch under the wing and blow it over.
Flip it over, right, no. Yeah, they older ones used to be so much lighter than these.
Yeah.
But
so these have a little bit of weight to them, huh?
Yeah, and they've got, 6S is heavy.
Yeah.
So, I mean, they're light for their size, but the 6S makes it a little bit beefier.
Yeah.
But this is a pretty efficient setup, so I can get, like 5 minutes flight time on a 4000, which is kind of unheard of for a high-speed EDF. High-speed dive, come into land. There's a lot of wind up there, sheesh. That's it. None on this one. But,
Just talking in.
oh,
Flat up.
Frank told me that, you know, the gyro that I got on my F-15 comes from Motion RC. And
Yeah.
He told me that he gets the same one at Value Hobby for $18.
yeah, yeah. Motion cranks it up a little bit. All right, 2 more flights and I'm done.